Hi guys! I just wanted to share our experience during our Japan trip and specifically in Nara. So yung Nara, they're known for the deers bowing to you. Pero hindi naman kasi lagi sila nagbabow. Here's how we did it. It kind of worked. So I'm gonna share it with you guys. So when we got to Nara, ayan ang dami kagad deers along the street. There are a lot of vendors of the cookies as well. I think you can buy them for 200 yen. So marami yun, isang stack siya of cookies. Ang tip namin is to break it, not the whole cookie ibigay nyo sa isang deer. Break it into small pieces para mas marami kayong ma-feed. Wala pa kami sa pinaka-shrine niyan, pero we keep giving naman the deers around the area of the cookies that we have. Madalas hahabulin ka ng deers kasi they really want their cookies. So, pro tip, what do? You just wave your hands. As in waving goodbye, letting them know that you don't have cookies on you anymore. So, ito yung steps of doing the bow. Una, pakita mo yung cookie na willing ka ibigay and then bow. Tapos, itago mo sa likod mo, bow ulit, tapos saka mo ibigay sa kanila yung cookie. 3 steps lang yan, so it's fairly easy. Super nag-enjoy yung kids ko, pero sa una, my youngest was scared. Pero in the end, nag-enjoy naman siya. Ang master feeder namin ay si Ate Carrie. Another tip, yung paper pinang-wrap sa cookie, you can also feed it. Ito na yung sa shrine mismo na super dami ng deers. Kasi naghahabol kami ng mga gusto namin i-feed na deers. Gusto ni Carrie yung mga medyo nakatago. Here is Raven feeding the deer and someone even said she was so cute on doing it. Guys, may nakita kami tourist na pinapalo ng umbrella yung mga deers. Please, wag naman. Respect the deers. They live there. Thanks for watching. Bye!